guys, mabuhay! Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I am Victoria. I don't know why I always laugh whenever I do my intro. Maybe I think I find myself funny. I think so. Okay, anyways, for today, I'm going to channel my inner Gal Gadot. I'm Wonder Woman. Oh, it's not funny, right? So anyways, today I'm going to do a review on the Revlon Candid collection. I have the powder, I have the foundation, and I have the concealer, and I already have my thoughts about it. So if you want to see how it actually performs and what's my thought about it, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started. Okay, so the first, I just I just have my skincare on, and also my, what do you call it, sunscreen, and all natural lights. I'm not switching on any lights, so good luck to us. I hope the sun is going to cooperate. So the first thing we're going to try is the Revlon PhotoReady Candid Natural Finish Anti-Pollution Foundation. So I have mine in 300. Okay, so when you open it up, it does have a pump, which is good. So usually I'll just put like one full pump at the back of my hand, and then with my finger just dab here, dab here, dab here, dab here, dab here, dab, and dab, 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 dab. Then with my sponge, I just, oh my god. It says that it has medium coverage, anti-pollution, so it means that it would protect your skin from the harmful things that's in your environment. It has anti-blue light, which is something new to me, my hair. So it's supposed to protect you from the harmful rays of your phone and all. So this is actually how it looks like. So it did even out my skin tone, which I like. It didn't cover my blemishes or my spots, which is, as I've said before, I'm more of making sure that my skin tone is even rather than, covering the blemishes, which is I'm not so into. Then the next one that we have is the Revlon Candid Antioxidant Concealer. It says it has medium coverage, and I got the, I can't read it, 015. Okay, so this is how the applicator looks like. Okay, then what I do is just like put at the corner. Oh my goodness, that's too much. And then again with my beauty blend, with my sponge, I'll just tap it in all over my eyes, or over my eyelids actually, and then drag it down to the center of my face. It has medium coverage, and it's supposed to cover your dark circles, puffiness if you do have, and it has caffeine to help wake up tired skin. So, and then I would turn my sponge and go under, like, so that there would be no obvious lines. And then what I'll do is set everything. See, this is something that is so funny when you're filming using natural lights. Is the anti-pollution setting powder. Okay, so you open it up. It doesn't come with a puff, but I don't mind because I do have my own puff. So it's like this. I've been using it for quite a while. It has a cover, so you can put some on the cover, but what I usually do is use the puff, set my under eye first. Then the side of my nose. And then, because I have oily skin, so I would rather use a puff so that I can actually press in the powder so that it would set it and then it would control my oil. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it happens to me in the morning. Don't worry. Oh my god, I forgot to do my eyebrows before powdering. Anyways, never mind. This is not an eyebrow tutorial. And I would also drag it underneath my neck. Not drag, like put also some underneath my neck. So, I know I look like so powdery, but later on, once it settles to your face, like, how do you say it? Like it melts because of your body temperature or something like that. It would be more tolerable, but the powder does leave your skin like velvety and all. But anyways, you can always use a setting spray. So I'll finish all my makeup and I'll be back. Okay, so you actually saw how I actually applied the products. And before I forget, I have to let you know that the let's talk about the foundation first before I actually bore you with things. I have my notes. So if you see me looking down, it's because I have to check my notes. Okay, so let's talk about the PhotoReady Candid Natural Finish Anti-Pollution Foundation. Ouch. I love this. I love this because it doesn't break me out. As in, I've used this like 1 week straight, and for a person who's acne prone, that's why I don't like using foundation, because I know they have the tendency to break me out, but this didn't. Not even a single pimple. Although I do have pimples right now, but it's not because of this, it's because it's the time of the month. But it didn't break me out, so I love this. I like how it made my skin like even. It's medium coverage, which is good for me. What I actually like is because it has anti-pollution ingredients, it has antioxidants and anti-blue light and all those shebangs, which is very interesting because for a foundation that has like skincare benefits, you should try. And they do come in 31 shades. I'm not so sure how many shades they sell in Singapore, but in their website they have 31 shades. And of course, it's without oils, parabens, phthalates, synthetic dyes, and no harsh fragrances. Actually, it doesn't have any fragrance, so I love this. Next, moving on, is my notes, is the antioxidant concealer. Okay, I've been wearing all this tree for like 3-4 hours now since I filmed like me putting it on, and I filmed a few videos. I didn't touch up. I know I'm getting oily, but this is like a oily tolerableness, if it does make sense. So let's talk about the concealer. It's again a medium coverage. It's supposed to cover your dark circles and puffiness. It's not my best concealer. It does the job, but after a few hours, of course, if you see, my puffiness came back. I look tired because I am tired. I don't think there's any concealer that can actually conceal you being tired. But what I like about this, it doesn't crease on me at the end of the day. It doesn't make my eye bags like dry. It looks okay, although my dark circles would actually come out, but I'm fine because it's always been an issue. I haven't found a concealer that actually has done that. The only thing that I look for a concealer is it should last me all throughout the day. It would not crease on me, and yeah, basically that's it. It's like brighten as much as they could. I know at the 8 hour mark my eye bags would actually show, especially if I'm tired and I'm sleepy. So yeah, I do love this. Will I repurchase this? Nope, because I do have other concealers that I actually like more than this. And foundation wise, will I repurchase this? Yes. I will repurchase this. And yeah, for a foundation and for a girl who doesn't use foundation on a daily basis, I do like this. I do love this. So give this a try. Next is the anti-pollution setting powder. I love this. It does say that it's supposed to even out your skin tone. It did. You saw it just now. Although I'm quite a little bit white, it's perfectly fine if you do this. If you do set it with a makeup spray, the powdery look would be actually gone. It's good. It's like it leaves your skin to a velvety touch, and it does control your oils. If you see, because I don't have a choice. This part I would usually get oily, but other than that, the rest would stay matte, so I'm fine. Again, like the foundation, it has anti-pollution ingredient. It says it fights aging without parabens, phthalates, and all those nasty things. And what I like is, again, they have this sifter inside, so it's cool because when you open it up, it would not like everything, and I just like it. Can you also use this to touch up? It doesn't come with a puff, which I guess I'm okay because I do have like puff on hands. Suddenly touch up, can you see? So it does, like, I don't mind. Some people use their sponge, some people use their brush, I use a sponge. Yeah, I use a puff. I do buy a separate puff for my loose powders. So will I be buying this again? I will. You should try this because especially for those people, I have oily, acne prone skin and kind of sensitive. I do get breakouts, I do get redness whenever my face is irritated. And so far for this Revlon Candid range, I didn't have any reaction or adverse reaction. Actually, I didn't have like pimples. I like how it actually stayed on my skin. Looking for a foundation, get this one. I love this. I'm wearing it now. 4 or 5 hours, it still looks okay. You saw me touch up my cheeks just because it's turning oily, but the rest is like looking good. It's nice. Only the concealer though, but 2 out of 3, I'm fine. So if you like this type of videos wherein I give you my thoughts rather than first impressions, that I did try the items for quite some time. I know they've launched this like a few months now, so it could be late, but if you're thinking of like at least purchasing a new foundation, or you've been thinking of you want to try, this range. I do hope that I help you. Let me know in the comment section below if you're like me, who's more of a BB cream type of person and you want to dab on to like the foundation range. What foundation would you recommend to somebody who's like oily, acne prone, and sensitive skin? Let me know in the comment section below so I might give it a try. So that's it. If you like this type of video, please give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I do upload videos at least once a week. So till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye.